I'm currently going to talk to you about a 22-year-old Bangladeshi girl, a very innocent girl who unfortunately suffered from severe pain of both her hips consequent to steroid treatment about 2 years ago.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ। আমার নাম আব্দুল কাইয়ুম, আমার মেয়ের নাম কানিজ ফাতেমা মিম। আমরা বাংলাদেশ থেকে এসেছি ইন্ডিয়াতে। আমার মেয়ের সমস্যাটা হচ্ছে দুইটা পায়ের মধ্যেই পেইন করতো আর কি, ব্যথা করতো। তো বাংলাদেশে আমরা সেভাবে ভালো ট্রিটমেন্ট পাচ্ছি না, তো যার জন্য আমরা এই যে হেলথ টিপের মাধ্যমে আমরা ইন্ডিয়া আসি।
This steroid treatment resulted in something known as avascular necrosis of both the hips. That is, both the hips, their blood supply had got cut off, and therefore there were bits of the ball of this ball and socket joint of the hip that started getting destroyed. The only alternative in terms of treatment that was left in our hands was to replace this hip, and to replace these hips in such a manner that the hip replacement lasts for the entire life. So we did a specialized hip replacement on both sides, and we did it with very precise techniques involving the robot. So robotic total hip replacements with a large head of an uncemented nature, that's what prolongs the life of a hip, and she started walking the very next day pain-free. She is extremely happy, and she is on her way back to Bangladesh on the 20th of this month. All the very best to her and her family, and we'll always be there for her and patients like her in the future.